Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will talk about how you can grow Malabar spinach at home very easily. This is a tropical leafy vegetable and it's very common in India. They're also called Ceylon spinach or climbing spinach and we call it puishak. It's a really tasty vegetable that you can grow in your home. You can grow them quite easily from seeds. You can also grow them from cuttings. Whenever you buy them from the market, you can just take some cuttings and plant them in your garden. Here I have taken some root cuttings that I'm going to plant. To grow them, take a nice, moist, well-draining soil. They will grow best in a rich, good quality potting media. Take your cuttings and just plant them in the soil. They root very easily. You don't need to add any rooting hormones. Take a big pot if you want to grow lots of them. Bigger pots will give you bigger and bushier plants. After you plant them, water them well. Keep the soil moist but not too wet. They will root in a few days. After some time, you will see new leaves and branches are coming out. They like sunlight. You can grow them in full sun. They will also grow well in partial shade. In partial shade, they will become more leafy with bigger leaves, which is great for harvest. They grow quite fast. You can feed them weekly with a high nitrogen fertilizer to make them more bushy. Malabar spinach like moist soil, so water them well and keep the soil moist. Don't let the soil get too dry. They like constant moisture. After a month, my plants are growing quite a bit. I will be harvesting them soon. You can grow them as much as you want. Harvest them when the stems are young to get the best results. So growing Malabar spinach is very easy. Definitely try them in your garden. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel. I will see you next time. Bye.